Alright, so I'm going to take this and swap this out. It's an old floppy drive out of my Asr10. And we're going to put this in here. This is a USB, floppy to USB device. And hopefully I don't mess my machine up. Alright, so here's the Asr10 exposed. Man, and we say the new stuff don't sound like the old stuff. Well, you can see why. Look at all of this. Sheesh. Look at the transformers, the memory here. I believe that these are the OS chips. Wow. Oh boy. What the heck is this? Alright, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be removing this. This is the floppy drive. There's 4 screws you got to take out here. I'll take the cables out, one here, one ribbon cable here, another cable here, and after you unloosen those 4 screws, this should just slide right up. That's the floppy drive. Alright, so we're going to be replacing that floppy with this. Alright, so we're going to slide this in. And there we go. Let me screw this device down. Now we put everything back together. I mean, at this time it would be good if you just plug it up to make sure everything's working. But alright, so now it's time to turn it on. Insert this USB stick here, and that stays in there. That comes with it. It's about like 100 sounds in there or some stuff like that. USB drive, this contains your OS and it contains like sounds and blank disk or whatever. And I got this device from eBay or whatever. I'll try to post the link up so you guys can see it. Okay, so let's turn it on and see if it works. It lights up. Now what we're looking for, if I did this right, the ASR should load the OS. Look like it is working. Alright, so let's load up a sound here. So you use these little buttons here to go through the different, auto boot is where your OS is, but you go through here and you know they have different sounds. So let's say we'll just go to 3 here. Then we press load, and load to tell us what's in here. I'm gonna just go through some percussions, load that up. Unfortunately, it doesn't really load any faster than it did with the the old floppy drives. Well, maybe it does, but it doesn't really seem like it. It's amazing how good these sounds still sound.